Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x plus y equal 10, xy equal 10 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with today's video solution. So x plus y equal 10. So we can write y equal 10 minus x and consider this as equation number 1 and xy equal 10 as equation number 2. So let's put the value of y. So it becomes x, bracket in place of y, we can write 10 minus x equal 10. So this becomes 10x minus x square equal 10. So it's become minus x square plus 10x minus 10 equal 0. Now, if I'll take negative sign as common, so x square minus 10x plus 10 equal 0. Now, it's look like an quadratic equation. So, we can write this in terms of quadratic equation as x square minus 10x plus 10 equals 0, where a is 1 and b is minus 10 and c is 10. So our quadratic equation formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal minus minus 10 plus minus under root minus 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 10 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 10 plus minus under root 100 minus 40 by 2. So x is equals to 10 plus minus under root 60 by 2. So x is equals to 10 plus minus under root 60. I can write it as 4 times 15 by 2. So x is equals to 10 plus minus root 4 times root 15 by 2. So x equal 10 plus minus root 4, we can write it as 2 root 15 by 2. So if I'll take 2 as common, so 5 plus minus root 15 by 2. So it will cancel out. X equal 5 plus minus root 15. So x1 is 5 plus root 15 and x2 is 5 minus root 15. Now we have to find the value of y. So y is 10 minus x. So y is equals to 10 minus 5 plus root 15. So y is equals to 10 minus 5 minus root 15. Y is equals to 5 minus root 15. So here again y is equals to 10 minus x. So it's 10 minus 5 minus root 15. So it's equals to 10 minus 5. Minus minus is plus root 15. So it becomes 5 plus root 15. So this is the value of y. So what are the values of x and y? Then x is 5 plus root 15. Then y is 5 minus root 15. And when x is 5 minus root 15, y is 5 plus root 15. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.